Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of enlarged prostate, a male patient with a growth in the urinary bladder. You can see the urinary bladder and the prostate which is enlarged. A bladder ultrasound is a safe and painless test that uses sound waves to make images of the bladder before and after urination. During the examination, the ultrasound machine sends sound waves into the bladder area and images are recorded on a computer. Now you can see the enlarged prostate, and this is the large growth in the urinary bladder. One of the basic abdominal organ that is assessed during transabdominal ultrasound examination for the urological reason is the urinary bladder. The bladder must be filled with urine. All these lesions may mimic carcinoma of the urinary bladder in sonography. Bladder tumors are abnormal growths that are, if the tumor is benign, it is non-cancerous, and would not spread to other parts of the body.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.